filming this one. Here's the quick ones.
It's pointless to make one look that small, isn't it?
Where are the other two?
Try and like two together, but
Yeah, try.
it's not really easy, is it?
You've got the lighter and I can come do one as well.
Yeah, right. Trouble is, if one... Yes, that's right.
If you haven't lit one and the other person's lit it, then don't just run.
Oh. No, this works.
Only one did. They're nice though.
It's very short.
Yeah, too small. It's that one. That's quick. You know where this is going? I'm going to get one.
There's another pyramid one.
How many more do we have now? Oh, these ones are nice. Pointy one again, Grandad.
Pointy one.
Yeah.
Right.
They were good ones. How many more? Is this the last one? Oh. Pardon? There's only one more after this.
What's this one?
I don't know. It's,
So the best will last, I hope.
no, I'm not sure. I don't know. No, the biggest one was the ones that crackled in the air. True. That's quick.
Careful where you stand.
I think I've got one more of them. I'm not sure. I want one that goes up in the air. You had loads of fountains. Is this the last one?
Yeah, last and final one.
Yeah, it's the last one. It's a fountain again. Shun.
Watch the last one, Thomas. Come watch the last
Can I light this one?
No.
God, you've done it in angle, Grandad. Fountain to a mist. Pardon? Yeah.
No.
Oh.